Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, owner of guidedpracticeroutines.com, where we practice together to progress faster. Check us out at the link in the description and get a completely free 30-day trial to celebrate our 1-year anniversary. Get access to over 200 hours, yes I said hours, of guided practice routines, lessons, courses, transcriptions, and a whole bunch more. In yesterday's lesson, we were looking at the chord progression to the Bobby Hebb tune, Sunny. And today, once we've hopefully internalize that chord progression, we're going to apply arpeggios to it, because improvising over changes, it really is as simple as play the notes that are in the chord, or at least that's the first step of it. If you can't do that, just the simple, the chord is A minor 7, G minor 7, C7, F major 7. If you can't just play the notes of that chord, why are you worried about anything else? Giving yourself that level of limitation should make things easier, not harder. If it is harder, and I imagine it is, it's because you haven't worked on this sort of thing. You have to be able to think this way. You have to be able to visualize your chords and your arpeggios. So if I jump on over to the guitar, when there's an A minor 7 chord, I have to play the notes of an A minor 7 chord. Now, I played a few other notes there, but primarily the bulk of what I was playing was the notes of an A minor 7 chord. But why make our lives more difficult than that at this stage if we can't just go 1 flat 3 5 flat 7 sunny sunny. That's all I want to do here. A minor 7. Then when we go to G minor 7, I should be able to play G minor 7, 1 flat 3 5 flat 7. Now here we're playing like fragments of arpeggios, just 4 notes starting from the root note. We're not having to go A minor 7, G minor 7, C7, F major 7, B minor 7 flat 5. We're not playing that many notes, we're just playing the first 4 notes. Over A minor 7, root, 3rd, 5th and 7. G minor 7, root, 3rd, 5th, 7. C7, root, 3rd, 5th, 7. F major 7, root, 3rd, 5th, 7. B minor 7 flat 5, E7. That's our first exercise. Sunny. Yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sunny. You smiled at me and really eased my pain. 5 days ago, and my dark days are here. My sunny one side so sincere. B flat 7, we need to know that. Sunny one so true, I love you. I've just got to hear that. G minor 7, C7, F major 7, B minor 7 flat 5, E7, A minor 7, G minor 7, C7, F major 7. Now you could hear, hopefully, the chord progressions that I was playing through there. It takes a lot of time to get there, but I have to think of the chord and how to play that arpeggio first. So first exercise, very boring, just low notes. Second exercise, same basic idea, but we're going to start higher now. So I'll play A minor here, G minor, So we did something a little bit different there. I went up B minor 7 flat 5, and then I came down E7, but starting on the third. It just connected the arpeggios. I could resolve that to the third of A. Ba 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 ba, or da ba 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 ba. Those are both going to work. In the example, we're going to play ba 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 da 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 down to the root note. G minor 7, C7, F major 7, B minor 7 flat 5, E7, G minor 7 C, B flat 7, E7, sorry, B minor 7 flat 5. Again, I should be able to vocalize, right? Sunny, yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sunny, your smile at me and really ease my pain. Bright days are gone and my dark days are here. My sunny one shines so sincere. Sunny one so true, I love you. Now, again, I'm just dealing with the chord progression. I remember my first lesson doing stuff like this with Dario Cortese like 20 years ago. I was just blown away, but like, how could one even do that? And surely it's not possible. And of course the answer is practice. You have to put in a lot of practice. Hopefully, if you're watching this now, you already understand these concepts. You're now just practicing them. But if you're watching this and you're trying to learn this stuff for the first time, well, it's not beyond the realm of possibility, but you have to know. I expect you to struggle. This isn't easy at first. You have to put in a lot of time on this stuff. But you'll get there. Don't worry. You'll put in the time. Okay. So third time through. Final time through, actually. Now I'm going to play arpeggios a little bit higher, and I'm going to mix directions a little bit. So I'm going to play A minor here. G minor 7. So how is that different? I'm going up G minor 7, then coming down C7, but I'm starting on the third. 3 1 7 5 1 3 5 7 3 1 7 5, which will take me to the root of F major, and then we go again up B minor 7 flat 5, down E7, 3 1 7 5. So sunny, yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sunny, you smile at me and really ease my pain. Bright days are gone and my dark days are here. My sunny one shines so sincere. Sunny one so true, I love you. Now, of course, your goal isn't to be able to sing the melody to this while you're playing these exercises. That's just something that I like to do to keep myself sharp. You want to be able to hear that chord progression. You want to be able to, if I played the, set up a loop, not with that though. So if I went, Now, of course, I could go around that all day long, play different arpeggios, but the idea is about exploring it. So with the exercises that we've laid out here, it doesn't lend itself too well to the guided practice routine thing, because you're going to end up copying the things I do, and after you've copied the things I do, then you're just playing memorized fingerings. It has to be about moving these things around and just asking ourselves, could I play all of these chords in a different place? If I had to play A minor here. So many options, but that doesn't come spontaneously. It just comes with lots and lots and lots and lots of practice. But practice is what we're all about here at Guided Practice Routines. So, lots to do. Let's see how that goes if we play that along to the backing track. Sounds like this.